I've received a few questions asking what's the rarest bag I've ever sourced, and I thought this would be such a brilliant YouTube video. I'm sure there are some folks who might be curious as well. I had to really step back and look at my own collection to decipher what was truly the rarest bag I've ever sourced. May I introduce you to today's YouTube video is gonna be short and sweet. I'm gonna be sharing the rarest designer bag that I've ever sourced. Closer to the end of the month, I'm planning on filming my entire designer bag collection, so let's be friends. Hit subscribe if you're interested. This bag is what made me fall in love all over again with Gucci. This is by far my favorite Gucci bag I've ever owned. I love collecting designer bags that are fairly harder to find. I really want a piece that's like a conversation starter, almost like, oh, I've never seen that bag before. Like, that's a cool bag. Those are the bags that I tend to go crazy over. Obviously, since I have a vintage designer shop, I'm constantly sourcing, looking for bags for my shop. But when I saw this bag, there was just no way it was going to drop in my shop. May I introduce you to this is a vintage 1998 Tom Ford Gucci Swarovski crystal mini bag. This is a conversation starter with this bag, by the way. I've only seen this sold one other time, and it's sold to Rihanna. Rihanna and I are bag twins. It sold for an insane amount. I believe I saw it sold for around 15,000, maybe just under 15,000. So it's made entirely of Swarovski crystals. White crystals as the base, and then black crystals making up the monogram. Satin handle with satin piping. Glistens in the light. I'll insert a clip of it, just beautiful in golden hour. It is so stunning when it's like afternoon light and it's just hitting the bag. A little fun fact. This bag is pregnant. What does that even mean? What does pregnant even mean? Anything that has a little accoutrement attached to the bag, I see it as the bag is pregnant. Silver stamping. Inside of this mini pocket, this beautiful little satin hand mirror. Yeah, I just think that that's so special. Like, I love that it has a little compact inside of here. I ended up actually sourcing the matching shoes because Tom Ford made a matching shoe back in the 90s. I still need to get the shoes fixed, so that's why I haven't worn them together, but oh, when I do, it's gonna look so cute together. Let me show you what can fit inside of this bag. This is the battery pack for my iPhone 14 Pro, and it can fit nicely in there. My little Hermes lizard card case, Celine Triumph sunglasses, my Birdie security. I'm extra and I added a Prada keychain. Anyways, for the giggles, but also very necessary, Lactate, and I'll slide that in the pocket. I don't typically pack it this much, especially because it doesn't have a magnetic closure at the top. I do wish it did. Typically, when I'm using this bag, I literally just put my phone in my card holder, and then I could probably throw in a lipstick in here, but I am able to wear it as a shoulder bag. And I'm wearing my, oh, this is my favorite sweatshirt, and I think we have 5 more available left on the website. If you're interested, this is my Thinks It's Vintage Fashionica sweatshirt with a few of my favorite designer bags. Vintage designer bag collector. Able to throw it over the shoulder. My sweatshirt isn't really showcasing it at its full potential, but it can fit over the shoulder, which is a huge perk. This is the baby, and I absolutely love this bag. Would I ever source this again? 100% absolutely. I just don't know if I ever will. After sourcing this bag, it just like ignited a love for Gucci. That's why I have another Gucci bag on my 2024 wish list. It is this stunning Gucci mini lizard Jackie with crystals as well. I'm pretty sure it's sold out in the US. You have a little birdie helping me work on that bag. This was a short and sweet little video of what my rarest designer bag is. Let me know what kind of content you want to see on here. Thank you so much for watching. Bag drops every Wednesday at 7 p.m. Pacific time in my shop, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hugs and kisses. Bye guys.